So if you are new to YouTube monetization, I think this particular puzzle will be strange to you. This is the Google AdSense PIN. Without this PIN, or without you receiving this password from YouTube will not pay you, or Google will not pay you. So in 2025 alone, I helped over 50 creators to monetize their channel by helping them resolve issues that relate to YouTube or Google AdSense. It has about 6 digits that you need to enter in your AdSense account. So the reason I'm making this video is to also show you a way you can quickly get your AdSense PIN. That is, if you have already reached this level of setting up your YouTube monetization. Many of you have tried that, and even some creators have given up just because of this AdSense PIN, just because of this password. Many creators have given up their monetization dreams on YouTube. So now this creator, you can see here, he needs to confirm his personal information in his AdSense account. The AdSense account have $492. This money has been in this AdSense account for over 3 years. This creator wasn't able or couldn't get the money out. So let me just take you to the history of the account. You can see right here, right from August 1st to 31st, 2022. This is when he earned this revenue and he wasn't able to get the money. As you can see, the balance was just the same amount up to this date, December 1 to 31, 2025. This has been a big problem, like many creators that I've worked with regarding this issue. Just like this creator, it took me almost 3 years. So today, fortunately, I was able to get this resolved, and we're at the process of entering the PIN. So I'm going to share with you, just like I said earlier, how you can quickly get your PIN very fast. Like this PIN of this account, the PIN arrived in less than 2 weeks. So here, this is the face of the AdSense account, and you can see here we're able to rectify the identity verification after over 3 years, and now it needs to submit this 6-digit verification PIN that I've gotten. And here you can see that the PIN was sent January 5, 2026. This is about less than 2 weeks, and you can see here from this information here, this PIN expires April 14, 2026. If your PIN expires before you verify your address, ads will stop showing. So if the owner of this account, if it doesn't verify by entering the PIN that is sent to him before April 14, his channel will stop showing ads. This PIN normally takes like 2 to 3 weeks to arrive. Sometimes if it doesn't arrive after 3 weeks, all you need to do is come back here and click resend. So like, for example, let me assume that I've not gotten the PIN and I try to click resend. It will tell me that you can only request a new PIN every 3 weeks. So which means that this PIN, the one that was sent, has not gotten up to 3 weeks. The major challenge, especially for African creators, is that our postal system is not that perfect. It's not very nice. So now the best way, if you want to make sure that your PIN gets to you on time, the best way to do this is to just go to your address. So right here, you go to your account, go to payment, then click on manage settings, and that will take you to this particular payment info page. So right here, you can see that the name of this account has been verified. It was verified in December 13, 2025. And this is the address. So take note of how I prepared this address. You can see here in the line of the address, I added a phone number. You get the point. So now, if in your own case, before you resend or before you start any process in your AdSense, make sure that you attach a phone number to the address. So how do you do this? You click here, you make the edit and add the phone number. You can add phone with the number of the phone. So when you're adding the phone number, don't add your country code. Like for Nigeria, our country code is +234. Don't add the country, just use your local phone number. So how this would help is that when Google sends this parcel to the nearest post office in your country, so anybody that have access to this PIN, when they check where the PIN is going, they can easily see your number and then call you. So I don't need to go to the post office. All they need to do is just to send me the PIN, and then I will appreciate them. So this is the easiest way to get your access PIN, especially for those of us in Africa. So now I've gotten this PIN, and here I'm going to enter the PIN. You can see that I'm just looking at it from my phone. I don't know if I can get, so I'm just reading it from my phone. So instead of me going to the post office, I have to just ask the person to send the PIN down to me. So this PIN can only work for your account. So there's nothing like maybe it will be exposed. No, nothing like that. So now what I will do, I'll go to the verification check page and then enter this PIN. So the PIN here is 9322. So to confirm this, I need to click submit, and voila, the address has been verified. So you see that the stress of over 3 years finally ended today. So this is how to get your PIN very, very fast. So this leads me to another topic about identity verification or verification in AdSense. So fortunately for Nigerian creators, that is, if you just set up your AdSense account newly, you don't need to go through this process. You have two options. That's when you reach the point of verifying yourself in your AdSense account, you have these two options. One, which is the online verification. Then the second one is this manual process. So for creators in Nigeria, I think there are about 6 countries in Africa that have access to this new feature. So with this new feature, you don't need to wait for the PIN. When you just verify yourself online, that is it. You don't need this PIN anymore. So, but if you are not too sure of using the online verification, you cannot go through this manual process of waiting for the PIN, which will possibly take up to 4 months. So now this leads me to my AdSense support program. So if you are about to monetize your channel and you are not too sure of all this process, and you just want someone to just handle this process and make it very fast without you having issues. Like currently, I have some creators that I'm working with that have been struggling since early last year. So we are still trying to figure out. I mean, these creators are losing a lot because they haven't fixed their AdSense issue. They have reached the monetization threshold, but they are not yet making money on their channel. So if you don't want your situation to be like that, because sometimes this AdSense issue can be very complex, and even Google might even tell you that you have an existing AdSense account, that you need to fix that issue before they can continue with your monetization process. So sometimes the AdSense, setting up an AdSense account might be messy. So if you want an experienced hand to handle this process before you start mixing things up, you can subscribe to my AdSense support program, where I will help you start the process and make sure that you get your first earning into your bank account. So that's it about getting your AdSense PIN very fast. Make sure that you add a phone number to the address, just like the way I've shared it with you. Make sure you do it so that anyone that have access to your PIN, that is this parcel in the post office, they can easily call you and they will send you the PIN even without you going there. All you need to do is just to appreciate them for that effort of sending it to you. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you want to know more about AdSense and other things. You can check out other videos that I've made. I've made over 40 videos regarding setting up AdSense and issues that relate to AdSense account. So you can check other videos, and if you still believe you need my experienced hand to resolve your problem, sign up to my AdSense account. I said AdSense account, sign up to my AdSense support program. So that's it. If this video was helpful, you know what to do. Give me the thumbs up, and if you're not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button so that you won't miss Apple videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.